Hey, commercial cleaner business owners, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? You're in the right spot, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your commercial cleaning service. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video, you actually haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So be sure to click on the link below this video. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, commercial cleaning service. There it is over there. You also have the option to select the general service business templates. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, Mighty Sites will instantly generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about Mighty Sites, which makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course, and pre-selected images as well. You can change them, but basically we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your small business. It doesn't matter which template you select out of the hundreds of markets, it will literally have pre-written contents and pre-selected images. So I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to change it, make it a bit more personalized to your very own business. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to put in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. Maybe you're a mobile business, you can leave it off, but if you pop it in, when your website's live, your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Underneath update social links, put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, make your way over to the next section to upload it. You can make slight edits to your logo by clicking on that little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your new website, just click on that paint icon, go through the various color palettes. There are so many options to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to change the images or those call to action buttons, just click on that handy button. You have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. They look very professional, don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone or anything. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with the click of a button and pull on those images. To change those call to action buttons, you can change the text here underneath update action, and where they link to, you can even upload a PDF file. Great way to put in your pricing points or your packages for your cleaning services. Or if you take online bookings, you can pop in a URL over here for another website, maybe like Calendly or another booking software that you make use of. And the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you with all their queries. If you've already purchased a custom domain for your business, you absolutely can connect it. Just click on that button at the bottom. Mighty Sites makes use of Entry, which literally connects your domain for you. Just click on I already have a domain. If you'd like to purchase a custom domain, you absolutely can do so by clicking on that button, I want a new domain. You can purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope this short video overview was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform for your commercial cleaning service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any questions about Mighty Sites, pop them down below, and do check out our other videos. We have loads of valuable information on marketing your local business. All the best.